headed out of Universal. We had such a fun little stay here, and we are headed to Disney now. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. We just got to our room. It's so nice. We had an outfit change. I got an orange cream poppy. These are so good. Cheers. The plan now is to head over to Magic Kingdom. Gonna grab some lunch and also see the brand new updated Country Bear Jamboree. Let's go.
Rock side to side.
I just finished up my nonverbal lunch. Now it is time for the Country Bear Jamboree.
Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original Country Band Musical Jamboree. Country Band Musical Jamboree.
I won't give up, no, I won't give
Remember me. The necessities of life will come to you. They'll come to you.
That show was so cute. The animatronics all look so good. Like, the show just feels much more fluid and alive now. I honestly don't really have any negative comments. I think Country Bears was a little outdated before, even though she had so much charm. We loved her. I don't know, I'm pleasantly surprised with that. With the opening of Tiana's, there is new food over here in Magic Kingdom. We got beignets and a lavender lemonade. This is me cosplaying that I'm at Disneyland. Like, if I close my eyes and I imagine, maybe I'm at Disneyland. We'll see. So far, just tastes like lemonade. I think I need to get a straw to properly mix this. So we'll try to do that in a moment. But let's try these beignets. I'm not gonna lie, I've heard they're not good. But personally, a beignet is a beignet. So how bad could it really be? Cheers. I actually think these are good. Hot take, I guess. I really like that they're drizzled with honey. I love honey. It is very hollow on the inside, but these are really good. I'd get these again. I don't know why people were hating on them. Mid. We're gonna give it a C. Okay, there was a bee where I was last filming, so we had to evacuate the premises as quickly and calmly as possible. But I stirred the lemonade. Definitely stir this if you get it, because it just tastes like lemonade without a little mix. The lavender is super mild. It's not necessarily it doesn't add to the sweetness. It's just a flavor, which I really appreciate. This with a little shot of matcha would be heavenly. We are going to head out of Magic Kingdom, I think. Might do Tiki Room. Maybe we should do Tiki Room. Let's do Tiki Room.
We forgot to wake up the Greek dog.
I have this whole room. I made a massive mistake. As soon as I got back from Magic Kingdom, I took a shower and then I got in bed. And now I'm so tired. Oh no. I know exactly what you're thinking. Colette, you got a DVC membership and didn't tell us. That's not true. I rented DVC points, which is something that I've been meaning to figure out for years, and I finally did. We rented through DVC rental store and had such a good experience. This is not sponsored by them or anything, but it was just such an easy, straightforward process. There weren't any additional fees or anything. We got a really good deal on this room tonight, so shout out DVC rental store. I loved buying from them and will definitely be doing it again. All right, I just got ready. We are headed to dinner at Disney Springs. We're about to meet up with Ava and her mom, have a little mommy-daughter date. I'm so excited. And we're going to Summer House, which is one of my favorite spots. I think I've been there 7 times and it hasn't even been open in a year. So let's go. Ava, what are you getting?
Look how cute.
Aww. Aww, so cute. ugly hat. Hypothetically. Wait, it is like kind of little bows. I wish there were more like neutral like pieces to go in between them, because I feel like you can only get like Mickey and Minnie or 2 Mickeys. Like I can't get Lotso and Pooh. Like that just wouldn't make sense.
And I wish they had different color headbands too.
Yeah.
I don't love the black and blue.
I want pink. Pink.
For a simple moment when you got it.
So we just watched Dreams That Soar. It was really good. We were talking about this relative to Sensational, which we saw last night over at Universal. Disney's drone technology is like definitely way more advanced.
Yeah.
Like that show was beautiful.
There was a lot more, I noticed a lot more movement than was in the Universal one.
Show, yeah.
Probably because that's basically what this show was just drones. For them it was more, I think, based on like, they also had like fireworks and
Right.
and
So
stuff,
two
too, and
completely
projections.
different experiences for sure.
No, but, oh my gosh, the drones, it's so fun.
The drones are so good. Guys, we need to cancel fireworks and only do drones because
Yes.
like they're just like way more fun. Yeah, seeing all the Star Wars stuff.
Oh my gosh, it was so, I was not expecting that.
Awesome. So cool.
I do wish the Marvel part had more actual Marvel than just Guardians, but
I
it was so
fear
cool.
they kind of forget about the other characters here at Walt Disney World. Good morning. We're gonna have a nice chill morning around Old Key West today. We have a reservation for Olivia's, which in case you did not know, that is one of my all-time favorite places to eat at Disney World. The food there is so good for brunch. And yeah, so let's get ready. I don't want to get out of bed. Okay, we finished up our breakfast. It was so good, and now we're in the gift shop, and I want to show you some of the cute stuff. I love all the old Key West merch. These ears. This one down here says I love nerds, but they should add gummy clusters to the end.
No.
We're about to grab our stuff and check out, but this has been such a fun little stay here at Old Key West. Yeah, I love it here. This is definitely one of my favorite resorts. This Wilderness Lodge, I love the boardwalk. Those are probably the top 3 for me. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!